Papa!
What the fuck?
Papa!
Listen here, I'm not your dad. Go away, kid.
Papa! Papa?
Listen to me. I am not your fucking dad. I'm an evil version of your dad. Alright? Now go screw yourself, you little ungrateful little blue copyrighted gumball, and go fuck no. What did you just say to my son? Nothing. Spit it out. I know what you said to my son. Alright. I told him to fuck off. I didn't mean it. Good, because if I catch you one more time saying crap to my son, I'll end your life. It won't happen again. Good, I'm glad we had this talk. Come on, Toxic Jr., it's time to go back to Mommy Blair. She wants to make some pumpkin pie. Oh, just for a record, failed Toxic. Don't mess with my kids.